Okay, what are we doing?
You want to set a trap?
What kind?
It's a foot trap.
Small foot trap?
Yep.
Cool. Okay. Go for it. So, what did you do there?
Hook it up to a tree so if we catch something, it won't get away.
Okay.
Then you just push these things down, the string, and put this right on there. There you go.
Okay, do you just leave it? Do you?
Yeah, you put some grass over it so animals don't see it as well.
Okay.
And there you go.
Do you like put scent glands on it or something?
I put some beaver castor on it sometimes, but usually I just leave it like that.
Yeah. Okay, find a stick. Let's show us how it works.
And the animal comes along and puts its foot on that pad, pushes it down, and goes off.
Cool. Okay. The foot trap doesn't kill it. It holds its foot, makes sure it doesn't get away. So you have to either shoot it or like drown it or something. Some way to dispatch it so that you can use it, use the hide and eat the meat in a survival situation. If you're in a survival situation, you can use one of those, and it's allowed, I guess, out of season, but it doesn't kill it. It just holds it there until you can get there and take care of it. So I just thought of that because that's kind of important. So okay, just as a disclaimer, you need a permit for these, okay? So don't do it without a permit or in season, like out of season. So that's poaching, okay? So there's a trap. It's a Duke #1. It says D on the pressure plate. So that's the size. And be smart. Don't do it out of season. Make sure you have a permit and obey all your local laws. And that's a foot trap for you. You wanna say hi?